Getting started.
1. Listen and read.
Unit 8. Sports and Games.
Page 16. Getting started. Activity 1. Listen and read.
Wow! This gym is great.
Yeah, I really like coming here. The equipment is modern and the people are friendly. What sports do you do, Jung?
Well, I can do a little karate and I play table tennis. Last week, I played with G and I won for the first time.
Congratulations! How often do you do karate?
Every Saturday.
You're very fit. I'm not good at many sports.
I have an idea. You can come to the karate club with me.
No, I can't do karate.
But you can learn. Will you come with me on Saturday?
Well, okay.
Great. I'll meet you at the club at 10 a.m.
Sure. Where is it? How do I get there?
It's Superfit Club on Pham Van Dom Road. Take bus 16 and get off at Hoa Bin Park. It's 15 minutes from your house.
Okay. See you then.
Two. Listen and repeat these words and phrases.
Unit 8. Page 17. Getting started. Activity 2. Listen and repeat these words and phrases.
1. Boxing. 2. Fishing. 3. Aerobics. 4. Chess. 5. Table tennis. 6. Karate. 7. Cycling. 8. Swimming. 9. Volleyball. 10. Tennis. 11. Skiing. 12. Running.